Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can reset an image in your LibreOffice Impress presentations to its original size. If you have, for example, been resizing it a lot and I would like to restore it to basically default dimension. This is how you can do it, guys. Navigate to your presentation in LibreOffice Impress, and as you can see I just resized that image. To restore that, right-click into it and choose original size here. Now it's too large, so I would like to not keep it like that. So that's how you'd use it. Use this feature, original size. You can also change the size by navigating to this menu here, position and size, or use the shortcut F4. And then here decide, for example, where to position it on the X and Y axis. The size here, the width and height, or click into reset to restore these values here. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.